This man finds a rusted Porsche 911. He knows this car has potential, but it needs a complete transformation. He calls a mechanic, explaining what he found. The car is unloaded inside a fully equipped auto workshop. The mechanic examines it closely, running his hands over the rusted body. He opens the hood. The engine is completely ruined, pipes corroded, wires cut. Checking the frame, the restoration process is started. Parts are rusted through. The suspension is gone. He looks at the young man. This is going to be a tough one. A brand new high-performance engine is installed. Dented and rusted panels are cut out and replaced. Mechanics in full gear spray a sleek metallic blue paint onto the new body. A high-gloss ceramic coating gives it a mirror-like finish. The young man sits in the driver's seat, gripping the new Alcantara steering wheel. He presses the ignition. Porsche roars back to life, growling with power. A tight corner ahead. He drifts perfectly, tires screeching, smoke trailing behind. He smiles. This is no longer a forgotten wreck. It's a beast reborn, a young racer's dream brought back from the dead. This is more than just a second chance.